Got a motor, went bad. Got here today, pump was off, or pump was turned on but not running. So we're gonna show how we do a motor replacement on a super pump. First step, ensure your power's off. And we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the bonding wire, which isn't even connected, and the power. All right, power's all off. Let's get this ground one on. One thing you'll notice there is I did not take this out or try to unthread it without taking the wires out. If you try to untwist this with the wires in it, it will catch them. It'll twist them all the way down the conduit. So you always want to turn your power off with the breaker, not just the switch, because the switch may not be killing it completely. So turn it off with the breaker, take your power out, and then we can unscrew this to reuse on the new